Hi, my name is Miko.
Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today we'll be answering your questions about our experiences in PFP. For me, I came here because I was looking to the modules and they really looked like quite exciting to me, and I thought it was going to be beneficial.
So for me, back in secondary school, I was good in math and physics. And since I really enjoyed doing it, I joined engineering.
I wouldn't say my passion came from the start. I think it was more developed because in secondary school, English was one of my favorite subjects. When I was looking at all the choices, I thought that media and communications was the most suited for me. In Poly, the culture more chill, so the teachers also treat you more as a grown-up.
I really enjoyed how I get 1 year to find a CCA that suits me better. I've joined 2 CCAs. One is SP Band and the other is SP Beeline.
So through PFP, I developed a strong foundation for my presentation skills. Met a lot of friends that are in different courses now, and we still hang out or ask to meet up once in a while, which is very nice. Of course, they don't really look at your O-level, N-level cert, they look at your diploma and maybe your portfolio, what you've done, your experiences.
Most of the courses that are provided in SP, I think more than 90% are available in PFP.
There's no scholarship from what I know, but there are PFP director honor rolls and best PFP student.
If you guys have any more questions about PFP at SP,
you can check out the PFP webinar at SP's Open House this coming January.